Don't be afraid, unless you're beautiful and in your bedroom and alone.
We are back at 6:33 today. I figured I would give you a little insight as to what happens when you leave a refrigerator by itself and leave the power off for a while, and you can leave stuff inside. That's at least in the background.
I don't want to look at it.
Alright, here we go. First, see the freezer.
It's Halloween.
See all that?
I don't want to look at it.
Nummy nummy.
You're going to make me sick when I have to do a video on it.
See all the
Does
bugs
it
coming
smell?
out? Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. A nice thick pile of dead bugs. Look at all that. Are you sure you want to get into rehabbing mobile homes? This is what you have to look forward to. And oh yeah, on a completely unrelated note, if you want to buy a used refrigerator, we happen to have one available.